Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anik Uzair bin Farizal. My matrix number is 26003052 and I'm from tutorial group FJ1. So today I will be presenting the inside the computer chapter, which is the second chapter of the programming and also the second lecture. So let's go. The agenda that we will be learn today is first of all system unit. Other than that, we also learn detail about CPU component, machine cycle, and also data representation. Okay, so system unit consists of four things. This is the most basic. Okay, the first one is the motherboard. Okay, second one is memory. Other than that, we also have power supply and also CPU. Okay, so what is their function? Motherboard is function like for example for human it is like the nerve cell because motherboard is used to connect. Motherboard is used to hold and allow communication between electrical component in laptop or computer. Okay, so other than that, we also have memory. Okay, so obviously memory is used to store information for immediate use in computer. Okay, for example, we have RAM, random access memory, and also we have ROM, which is read only memory. Okay, power supply. Power supply is used to convert AC to low voltage DC. That is work as energy grid, uh, uh, so that the computer or the laptop does not receive too many current. Okay. Other than that, we also have CPU, which is central processing unit, that is used to interpret or to process instruction that we give to them. Okay, so now I will be presenting about the CPU a little bit detailed. Okay, so central processing unit, which is CPU, has a four component, which is ALU, CU, system clock, and also register. Okay, so the first one, ALU is used to perform arithmetic and logical operation. Okay, other than that, we also have CU where it manage the sequence of the events. Okay, furthermore, we have system clock where the computer keep track of the current date and time. Okay, so lastly we have register, which is used for quick accessible storage location available to computer processor. Okay, move on to machine cycle. Okay, what is machine cycle? Machine cycle is steps that is performed by CPU, central processing unit, to execute tasks, to perform tasks that we gave to the computer. Okay, so there are four things that occur in the computer. Okay, fetch, decode, execute, and store. It may be a little bit hard to remember, so I make a formula which is fat, duck, eat, spaghetti. Okay, so F is for fetch, duck, D is for decode, E is used to execute, and S for store. Okay, so what is their function? Fetch is used first of all when we give information to computer. Of course, they will receive the information. Okay, so moving to decode, then the information is translated into signal that is understand by the computer. Okay, so once they get the signal, okay, so they can execute the task, which is they carry out command in ALU. So after the execute task is performed, okay, so we will move to the store, which the result is saved to the main memory so that we can use it again in the future. Okay, moving to the number system. Okay, as we know, we human use the number 0 to 9, right? Okay, so what is that number system? Okay, 0 to 9 is actually a decimal system. Okay, the laptop or the computer does not use the same number system of with us. They usually use binary and they also use hexadecimal, but the most common is the binary number system. Okay, binary number system is consists of number only 0 and 1, while decimal consists number of 0 to 9, and hexadecimal is consists of 0.9, and alphabet of 1 to F. Next, data representation. So there are three data representation here. We have ASCII, EBCDIC, and also Unicode. ASCII is stand for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. That is 7-bit code, and usually it is the standard for PC. Okay. So next we have EBCDIC, which is Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code, which is 8-bit code that usually are standard for IBM mainframe and supercomputer. Okay, other than that, we also have Unicode, that is 16-bit code that is created to support global language, character, and complex symbol. In the other word, emoji, and also the various kind of language that we have. Okay, so now we look at the example, real life example. Okay, so I gave the example of pressing key A. Okay, so first of all, the power supply will provide low direct current to computer, and then the key A is represented by binary number since computer only understand binary number, and then the signal, which is the binary number, is sent to the CPU for them to interpret the information, and then fetch, decode, execute, and store take place. Okay, after all of it are performed, and then the information is stored in the register. Okay, so the result is translated into character using ASCII, Unicode, and EBCDIC, which is the data representation that I said just now. And lastly, the key A is now can be generated on the screen. Okay, so that's all from me. I really hope that my explanation is clear, and my presentation is also interesting. So thank you very much, and that's all. This is my reference, which is usually I use lecture 2 notes, and also I use Wikipedia if I need extra information, and also I also use AI sometimes because when the Wikipedia sentence is too complicated for me, then I need AI to simplify them. That's all from me. Thank you.